Hello there, learners. Hello, and welcome to the Data Science Mindset. In this video, we'll look at how to get started with machine learning and the ideal path to become a pro. 1. Understand what machine learning is. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms and models that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It's all about training a computer to perform tasks by recognizing patterns in data. 2. Learn the basics of Python. Python is a popular programming language for machine learning. It's relatively easy to learn and has a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools for machine learning. Some important libraries include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. 3. Data collection and preparation. The first step in any machine learning project is to collect and prepare your data. This involves gathering data relevant to your problem, cleaning the data by handling missing values, outliers, and noise, exploring and visualizing the data to gain insights. 4. Choose a machine learning problem. Determine what type of problem you want to solve. Common types of machine learning problems include supervised learning. You have labeled data, and the algorithm learns to predict labels for new, unseen data. Unsupervised learning. You have unlabeled data, and the algorithm finds patterns or groups within the data. Reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. Regression. Predicting a continuous value, for example, predicting house prices. Classification. Assigning categories or labels to data, for example, spam or not spam. 5. Select a machine learning algorithm. Choose an algorithm that's appropriate for your problem. Some popular algorithms for beginners include linear regression, for regression problems; logistic regression, for binary classification; decision trees and random forests; versatile for both regression and classification; k-nearest neighbors, KNN, simple and intuitive for classification. 6. Train and test your model. Split your data into a training set and a testing set. Use the training data to train your model and the testing data to evaluate its performance. Common evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, and mean squared error, depending on the problem type. 7. Hyperparameter tuning. Adjust the hyperparameters of your algorithm to optimize its performance. Hyperparameters are settings that are not learned from data, but influence how the model learns from data. 8. Feature engineering, optional. You can improve model performance by selecting or engineering better features, input variables. Feature engineering involves creating new features or transforming existing ones to make them more informative. 9. Cross-validation. To ensure that your model is robust and not overfitting, perform cross-validation. This involves splitting your data into multiple subsets for training and testing. 10. Deploy your model, optional. If you want to use your model in real-world applications, deploy it into a production environment, which may involve integrating it with web services or applications. 11. Continue learning machine. Learning is a vast field, and there's always more to learn. Explore more advanced algorithms, deep learning, and other specialized areas as you gain experience. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually work your way up to more complex tasks. Online courses, books, and coding exercises can be excellent resources to help you learn and practice machine learning.